Alright guys, it's July 3rd. Well, I haven't done a complete stash yet. Yesterday I went and got more fireworks, so thought I would make a video of everything I have before we do our 4th of July on July 3rd, so just wanted to make sure I get a video of everything before most of it goes. Let's start over here. Some of this stuff you may have seen in a previous video. I guarantee you have if you've watched mine. But jump shot, 6 pieces, Bermuda triangle. Those are nice firecrackers. If you'd even call them a firecracker. Jumbo M10000s, utter chaos. A crap load of variegated rockets and stuff. Some Roman candles, Shogun, double whistle power candle, blue blaster, 2 magical 10-ball Roman candles, and a red 10-ball El Toro. Just a random parachute. All my leftover shells from last year. It was dry around here, so I didn't get to light too many off. There's 36 in there, minus 1, because I lit one last night actually. Here are all my 200-gram cakes. We don't have any 500-gram cakes this year. TNT Sky Screamer, full blast anti-tank mine. The Sky Screamer is 16 shot, and anti-tank mine is also 16 shot. Nightwave is 8 shots. That's by Showtime brand. Big Bull, it's 8 shots with a fountain in the middle. Merlin's Curse is 7 shots. Got that from Shelton. Woohoo is 7 shots. Little Kicker is 16 shots. I'm gonna come around and get a better view. TNT Hot Zone, it's 8 shots. It's like a little Roman candle. Probably sucks, but 12 shot mini artillery shell kit. Yeah. Oh, back there is 12 artillery shells by TNT. Over here we got 6 festival balls by Showtime, 6 festival balls by The Works, 2 boxes of TNT festival balls. The first box has 6 and the second box only has 5 because I lit one. And over here we got double breaks by TNT. We got a box of triple breaks. And then we got some canned shells, fake canister shells. They're like just a double break inside of a canned shell. Yeah. I have a bunch of just random crap in here that I've been lighting off the last couple days. Yeah. So, here, I'll go over it one more time. Yep. Alright, everybody, have a safe 4th of July. Be safe. Have a good 4th. Bye.